Get your hands on the OMTech Pronto 60W CO2 Laser Engraver, especially at this price, and bring your creative projects to life like a professional. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this laser cutter at the best price. This machine is designed for anyone who wants to cut, engrave, and shape materials like wood, acrylic, leather, fabric, and more with precision and ease. Whether you're working on custom gifts, signage, or detailed crafts, the 28-inch by 20-inch work area provides ample space to handle larger projects without compromise. One of the standout features is its autofocus capability. Instead of fiddling with manual adjustments, you simply press a button, and the machine instantly sets the perfect focus. This not only saves time but ensures each project comes out perfectly every single time. The stepping motors and V-wheel guide rails guarantee smooth, professional quality engraving with consistent results from start to finish. Safety and cleanliness are top priorities. The built-in temperature and air pressure sensors will alert you if conditions need attention, while the turbo exhaust fan and effective air pump keep smoke, dust, and debris under control. This keeps both your workspace and your materials clean and safe. It's also extremely user-friendly. Whether you prefer LightBurn, RDWorks, or CorelLaser, uploading and managing your designs is straightforward. Beginners and seasoned professionals alike can operate it confidently. Additionally, OMTech provides 24/7 global support and 2 years of comprehensive service, ensuring any issues are quickly resolved and that expert help is always available. While the initial investment is higher than smaller models, the reliability, speed, and precision make it worth every dollar. For anyone serious about high-quality engraving and cutting, this machine is a game-changer. Don't wait to elevate your creative projects. Check the link in the description below to secure your OMTech Pronto